We're launching the JFCOE because it's time for us to take the values that founded this company, that Jack Fitzgerald had, and make sure that our future leaders have those same core values in everything that they do, in all the ways that they lead, in the way that they treat each other, and in the way that they treat our customers. So we decided that within a year of Jack's passing, we wanted to make sure that we launched the Jack Fitzgerald Center for Sales and Leadership Excellence, because we knew that we didn't want to forget all those important lessons that he gave us over the years. And this was one of the best ways to continue that legacy. He would not want the center named after him, I can assure you. He was too humble a guy. But it was important for us to connect his history with the values so that they can be extended throughout the rest of our careers and the rest of the organization's life. The purpose behind the Jack Fitzgerald Sales and Leadership Excellence is to instill the same values that Jack lived throughout his life into the culture of the company, to make sure that it's sustainable and that we build leaders for the future for the organization. So we want to make sure that those same values are in everyday practices, that managers lead with purpose, and that our people feel valued, that our people feel heard, and that they treat our customers with the same respect and dignity that was part of Jack's legacy. You know, I think Jack did it by how he lived. He didn't necessarily do it by holding meetings or teaching a class. He did it by encouraging you to do the right thing with the customer and make the right decision for the customer, and everything else will take care of itself. He didn't require us to have a formal training class all the time, but we recognize now that if we don't do that, those lessons aren't going to happen automatically. So without his presence everywhere, we have to find a way to bring his presence about through training and development of our people to help us grow and help us maintain those values.